Lake Forest Graduate School of Management has two really strong strategic goals, and one of them has to do with being the business school that delivers business impact.
I love it here because it is so much about the direct impact that we have on the business and the business results.
The students are really looking for instructors who have real-world experience because I know what's useful for my job, so I know how they can apply things to their job. So a lot of what I do in my classroom is talk about the so what, or why do we care about this, and how they can apply things in the real world.
It happens right away. I have students who contact me 3-4 weeks into the first 8-week course and say, my boss is already paying attention to my emails and I'm already getting my proposals read and getting feedback on them. It shows me that they're applying right away.
I have seen many of my students, they have been involved in large companies that they have major change programs, and they're invited to be part of those change programs to lead them. And that's where it really is, it's really great to see that,
We measure business impact in everything we do. We have now added business impact questions into our course evaluations. And the kind of questions we ask are, based on this course that you've just taken, what did you apply in your job? And what was the situation that you observed? What did you apply? And then what were the results?
Students in my course have had a lot of really practical hands-on experiences in the class that I've heard afterwards them come back and say, I applied this to my portfolio, or I've made this investment change, or I know better how to manage the risk at my company or deal with the investors of my company.
And I've had a lot of feedback from students after the classes over saying, this was really great. It's helped me make a name for myself and made a difference inside of my organization. So it's very rewarding in that regard.